Alright, so what we got is, we got this yard machine. You know what I'm saying? Lawnmower. Issue that I'm having is that I gotta replace these guards, put new guards on it. Cause the belt keep jumping off. The belt be flying off when I be cutting the grass, things like that. See them bolts? Take them bolts out, swap it out, do my thing. That's all I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? So, let's see if I can. Let's see if I can go like this. What's this? Nope, that's not big. What's that? Let's see. That's too small. 10 mil. 10 mil for the boat. Yeah. 10 mil seems a little too. Anyways. That seems like a little too loose, don't it? 9 mil seem a little too small. So it gotta be standard. Okay. We got a problem now. Yeah, we got a big problem. We have to go to something different. Hold up. All right, back to regular schedule programming. All right. 3/8.
No, making a video.
See what's going on. See that guard? So that keeps the belt in there from it jumping off of it. So issue I was having it, the belt kept slipping off when I would engage it for the blades to cut on. So now I'm gonna put the other side on. Other side. Same thing. Other side's done. Keeps the belt in. Keeps the belt in on the other side. That's it.